What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm bringing to you one that I should have brought to you for St. Patrick's Day. I was aiming to get 2 of them out, but it just didn't work out that way. And whatever, here we are. What is that flavor? Irish cream. And this is the easy way of doing it. So let's stop wasting time and get to it. So let's go. Come on. Alright everybody, this is going to be a fun one. First into the pot, 77 grams of pure cane sugar, followed by 40 grams of gelatin. We're going to swirl those up a little bit. Followed by 225 grams corn syrup. And I did pre-weigh this, but it's being a pain in the butt. So I need a spoon. Give me 1 second. Followed by 125 grams applesauce. And before we stir that up, we're going to use 3/4 of a cup Irish cream by Monin. Delicious. Now you can also use real Irish cream. I often do that. This time around I'm not. So, you know, that's because I'm all out. And I didn't want to have to go back to the store. Half a cup and roughly 1/4 cup. At about there. Give those a good stir. All right, we're gonna let that sit for 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom. In the meantime, we will also be using 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules, as well as 5 grams of cream of tartar with 1 pinch malic acid. I'll see you when it's time to put it on the heat. Bye. And the heat is on. All right. We're gonna add a little bit of white just to make that color a little tan. Now when we add the oil, it'll also darken, so we'll be using a little more white. But I'm aiming for it to be like a light caramel, and so far we're there. But again, we're gonna be adding that oil, and that tends to darken it up a bit. So let me grab that. Some Gold Flake overspray got into this oil. I don't know if you can see it, but it's sparkling like a diamond. All right, we're about to drop it in. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to stir that up for however long it's going to take for all that oil to fully combine with the batch. Anywhere from 3 to 5, maybe even 7 minutes. So sit back and enjoy me stirring. Talk to you soon. All right, that's about combined there. And by looking at it, I don't think I'm going to add any more white. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna let this come to a rolling boil, a simmering boil. Let's get it right. And then once that starts, we'll add the acids and we'll be on our way. See you soon. Hey, you want to do me a favor? You see that little thumbs up down there? Click on that, see what happens. Yeah, just like that. Now, you see over to the side where it says subscribe? Yeah, click that. Push it. Yeah, push it. Let's see what happens. Perfect. Did you do it? I really hope you did. If not, no worries. However, if you did, you see where it's got that little bell? You should push that. Yeah, that's a good one. That'll help both of us in big ways. I promise. And as you can see, we're already there. It's just like in the blink of an eye. So let's get this all stirred up. All stirred up. Yeah. All right, and let me go get the acid. There we go. We're going to continue stirring this for a couple minutes to allow that excess water to evaporate off. And right now is a good time to turn up the temperature a little bit to speed that process up. So I'm going to continue stirring this, and then I'm going to set up the pour station. So I'll see you over there.
Look over there.
Coming up in a couple minutes, y'all. All right, and away we go. And that's all she wrote. I'll see you when it's time to sand these. Bye. And there you have it, Irish cream gummies, the easy way. What's the hard way? Well, it's not really hard, but we use real Irish cream, and we also will add some of that syrup in there, just to boost the flavor. It's not necessary, but it works. And if you want to see how I do that, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions about this one, or you need any help with whatever, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.